First, tap the setting icon, tap on air conditioner, and then tap on reconfigure. The app will prompt you to go to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone. Once in the phone settings, locate and connect to ActronConnect in your Wi-Fi list. Once connected, your phone will show that this connection has no internet. This is normal. Re-enter the ActronConnect app, touch on Next, and then touch the drop-down bar under SSID. This will show all the available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Select your Wi-Fi, and then enter your passphrase twice. The ActronConnect app does not know your passphrase, so ensure this is correct. The ActronConnect module will now connect to your Wi-Fi. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Once connected, your app will show congratulations and prompt you to restart the app. Once restarted, you can now control your air conditioner.